Creating your first video? You should start with the music. Go to artlist.io and get high-quality music and sound effects for any.
Okay, we are live. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live streams, London Session live streams, PNG Pacific Capital live streams. This is your host, Jared, tuning in for London Sessions. So before we do a top-down analysis, we're just going to run through Forex Factory again. I've gone through the list of data early on, and we pretty much don't have much high impact news coming out during London Session that would significantly affect gold during this session, but it's always good to always run through things, see if anything pops up here and there. So looking at Tuesday, we only have Euro news coming out at 5:45 p.m. PNG time, our time. Apart from that, we really don't have nothing much coming out as far as high impact news goes. Nothing happened throughout the day that would significantly affect gold trading during this session. So I think we're gonna have a good price action session this session. So yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead to charts, see what's happening on the top-down analysis starting on the daily time frame. So we have Monday's candle pushed bullish, closed above 1674. Sorry, last week Friday's candle, yesterday's candle, Monday's candle closed bearish, creating support level just below 1682. We're currently bearish on the daily time frame for Tuesday's candle, currently trading below this resistance level on the daily time frame, right here. So we're currently trading below this level. So we have 15 hours until this daily candle closes. Not sure if we're going to continue down, trade back below the 1673. Or this is just a bottom to potentially push up, retest the highs at 1682. So that's that on the daily time frame. We're going to hop down now to the 4-hour time frame, see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, the previous 4-hour candle closed 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's at 4 o'clock. Closed extremely bearish. Really close below this resistance level of. Excuse me, this support level area is 1672. Our current forward candle is bullish at the moment. We are not sure. Okay, so we're not sure if this candle is gonna close. Oops. My bad. So yeah, we're not sure if this candle is going to close back above this resistance for the next forward candle to drive up, or maybe this is only a top wick for us to retrace, potentially push down. We do have clean traffic to the left, so we're going to see how that plays out during this session. But I'm not too sure about the structure on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame looks like we're about to have bearish, so we're gonna see what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, now looking at the 1 hour time frame. Now 1 hour time frame is a little bit tricky. We had sales during Asian session. Right as this candle broke and closed below this support level at 1674, we executed sales over here. Price came down, but never really reached this minor resistance level on the minor support level on the 1 hour time frame at 1668 right over here. So we're currently pushing bullish off this 1 hour support level. I think we could potentially drive down later on. We just need to wait for strong confirmations for us to take sells. So yeah, no confirmations on the 1 hour time frame on taking trades yet. We're just gonna see structure on the 30-minute time frame. So looking at the right hand side of our screen now, we're just gonna hop onto the 30-minute time frame and see what's happening on the 30-minute time frame. So the previous 30-minute candle closed bullish, creating a minor resistance level just a little bit below 1668.50. We are currently pushing bullish at the moment. We have this current 30-minute candle open right now. It's gonna close at 5 p.m., which is in 5 minutes time. So we shall see. I'm really anticipating price to retest drive bearish. All I want to see is a potential resistance to form, meaning I need to see a bearish candle close, and then we're gonna look at executing on the next candle to potentially retest. Maybe retest this support level at 1668.50, or potentially coming down all the way to 1667 right over here. So we're just gonna wait, see this resistance form on the formation of a bearish candle before we execute any trades. So looks like there's gonna be a waiting session. So until we see this candle, we're gonna execute. Otherwise, we're just gonna stick to our rules and not execute any trades until we see some form of structure forming on the 30-minute time frame. If we do execute sells, definitely have volume coming down to 1667. So we just have to wait, be patient.
So you've taken up running. Apple Watch has taken up a few new things as well. First, it tracked your distance. Now, it tracks your stride length. It knows a breaststroke from a backstroke and checks for temperature changes to estimate when you've ovulated.
Hey, what's up, Anand? Game Zone. What's up, bro?
Searching for music for your next video? Then you need to check out Artlist. With amazing new music added daily and one simple license that covers everything. Artlist is the music licensing platform for all creators. Start now and find the perfect song.
Okay, okay, we're just gonna keep an eye on the 30-minute time frame. Hopefully we get something in the next 24 minutes. Right now we're just chilling, waiting. Waiting for confirmations. Okay, we are actually starting to push bearish at the moment on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, like I said, we're really going to be sticking to rules on waiting for candle close confirmations. If we don't see anything, we're not taking anything.
High-quality story-driven content is possible with stock footage. Check out rgrid.io. My name is Aya, and I'm a filmmaker who constantly travels around the world in search of compelling stories. Adding rgrid to my workflow has been a game changer. With a wide cinematic library of footage shot by top filmmakers around the world, including me, I guarantee you'll find exactly what you need quickly, no matter the project. Every clip is part of a wider sequence, and with unlimited downloads, your editing options are endless.
Ooh. Broken below the previous 30-minute candle low now. Yeah, no confirmations on trades yet.
Hey, I want you to imagine how it would feel if you got some new beats from me right now, you recorded an amazing song, and then within the coming months ahead, you got over 1 million views and you started blowing up online. That sounds like a far-fetched tale, but the reality is, and the truth is, that I've helped over 100 independent artists like yourself get over 1 million views.
We are retracing at this point. Pretty much retracing at this point of this yeah. We're very much retracing at this point. Wondering if we should we could take this trade on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame looks very good for sales at this point. And we are starting to break below the 1-hour kind of low at this point. I think we just have to stay put and wait to see how this candle closes. No impulse entries. Even though we're looking to break below the previous 30-minute candle low, no impulse entries. This range here is not a very nice range to trade. This is only a 10 pip range, so it's gonna be a poor trade range. Hey, Phobes. No worries, brother. No worries. Hey, what's up, brother Ron? How's our trade going? On USD CHF. It's pushing up nicely, eh? What have we got in right here?
Tune in to the release playlist for the newest songs every Friday on YouTube Music.
Nice. 18 pips away on World Trade. We are still waiting on confirmations for gold. Should be good. We actually could have a trade coming in the next couple of minutes, depending on how these 30-minute candles gonna close. Have a fair bit of volume coming in though. How big is this range? Big range. Guys, we're about to get in on this trade. Next 5 minutes if it closes how we want it to close, which is bearish 30-minute candle. Bearish 30-minute candle close. If it does close in our direction, still gonna execute this trade. This is gonna be the only trade for London session, so stay tuned. It looks good. Guys, I want to clock 250 subscribers by the end of the week. That would be my goal.
Listen to Chill Hop with your screen locked and study uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
So we have 2 minutes until this channel closes. We're gonna be executing this trade with half a risk. So we'll see. There we go, we have a minute left for this 30-minute candle to close. Ideally, we wanted to close bearish. Does close bullish, that's gonna be a problem for us. It's pushing bullish at the moment. It's pushing bullish at the last minute of the 30-minute candle. No trades taken at this point. Like I said, we wanna bearish 30-minute candle close. We have closed bullish at this point. There's no trades happening at the moment. So it looks like we're gonna still have to wait for another 30 minutes. Look at the 1 hour time frame. It has flipped bullish again after rejecting this support level on the 1 hour time frame. 60, 68, 100. This is why it's very important to wait for cannot close confirmations.
Get out of this world stock footage only on artgrid.io.
can build you one next to mine.
Whether you're buying your first or forever home, it helps to have someone strong beside you to make it happen.
Watch League of Legends videos ad-free and learn to win uninterrupted. Try our student
Yeah, no trades at the moment. Nothing. No confirmations at the moment. We have these 30-minute candle closing in the next 60 minutes. No confirmations at all. Just have to be patient on this one. We do form support here. It's clean traffic coming up all the way to 1676. So this is a tricky one.
Makita's LXT range of cordless tools take you from the job site to the backyard.
So we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 8 minutes. We also have the 1 hour candle closing in the next 8 minutes. Definitely closing back below 1670. So the last time we closed below 1670, we drive straight back up above it. That was on Monday. This 3 p.m. 1 hour candle closed below 1670. The previous 1 hour candle closed drive straight back up above 1670. So maybe, just maybe, we could potentially have volume coming in now. We are breaking below the lows on the 30-minute on the 1 hour time frame, breaking below the previous 1 hour candle low. If we do close below this range, should we anticipate volume to drive price lower? Okay, yeah, this is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. We also have the 4 candle starting to flip bearish now. So I'm just trying to see if we can have volume starting to push in now. Might get some sells in, depending on how this candle closes. This is not the best range to be taking a cell in, to be honest. Not too comfortable taking a cell in his range. But it could work. Could work. We did say we were gonna wait for a 30-minute bearish 30-minute candle close, so who knows? This could be it. This could be it. Actually could be it. Can anticipate volume to drive price bearish? Potentially. Potentially. But if you do close above 1670, then our bias totally changes at this point. Totally changes if you close above 1670. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be looking for buys. Okay, there we go. Actually, get ready for sales, Jimmy. Actually, get ready for buys. Okay, I'm starting to feel a little bit of FOMO coming in. Just have to be very, very patient with this trade. We have... we have closed about 1670. What I'm gonna do now is I am gonna execute on the break of the previous okay, we have the new 30-minute candle open right now. You have the new 30-minute candle open right now. Starting to push bearish on the break of the previous 30-minute candle high. Okay, no trades taken yet. We have a support level formed over here at 1671. We have the 30-minute candle close above 1670. So even though we're pushing bearish at the moment, I haven't taken any sells yet. This actually looks good for sells, to be honest. Just stuck to our rules. I believe we're going to exhaust somewhere. We already have so many weak rejections to the left on the 30-minute time frame. I really think if we can break above the previous 30-minute candle high, we're going to push. Yeah. Okay, the only reason why we didn't take these cells is because we have price rejected 1670 twice. So I'm not too confident taking cells at this point. So I'm looking at taking buys above 1671. That's the only confirmation we have for a trade. Otherwise, everything else for cells is invalid at this point.
Watch League of Legends videos ad-free and learn to win uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us. Come on. William, stop loss beli kalah nanti look sa kena.
So stop loss right now is 1669.
You've gone from watching drum solos on your phone to playing along with them in a soundproof basement. Download and rock out even when the Wi-Fi is lagging. Try YouTube Premium on us. Okay, we are running very nicely right now. Just gonna wait to see how this 30-minute candle closes and then we'll look to manage risk.
At Macca's, get double the chicken, double the crunch, and double the deliciousness. Macca's double chicken range, even more of what you love.
Okay, we're in his nasty range at the moment. Not too comfortable bringing this trade, but as long as we're trading above 1670, I'm very much comfortable. Like I said, we're just gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close and see how it plays out. Ideally, we'd like it to close bullish, but this is only the beginning. This is only the first 30 minutes of the hour, so we'll see how this. We'll see how price develops in the next 40 minutes. If we do have a candle close below 1670, we're gonna look to managing risk, potentially closing half our trade, potentially. Otherwise, we're just gonna wait this one out, see how it plays out. We are about to get stopped out of this trade. About to, or not. We're still in this trade. Price haven't really reached our stop loss. We executed on the break of the candle high. Stop loss below the current candle low. So we're still in this trade. If we do close below 1670, we're gonna close the entire trade out. Or we could get stopped out. That's fine. we did close above 1670s, broken above the previous 30-minute candle on this candle, so hopefully we can start pushing bullish. But right now we're in a bit of a drawdown. Really not the ideal range to be in right now, but this is why we have a stop loss in place, so we'll just see how price develops. We have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 9 minutes, so hopefully we can start flipping bullish and continue pushing up. Like I said, as long as we're trading about 1670, I'll be comfortable. But if you do get stopped out, you get stopped out. There we go, we flipped bullish again. So hopefully we can continue this momentum. Like I said, as long as we're trading above 1670, I'm good. Going below 1670, that's gonna be a problem.
#TS Antihero Challenge, only on YouTube Shorts.
Okay guys, we're just gonna stop out minus 90 pips on this trade. If we had stuck to a plan and executed on the with the rules of executing on the formation of this bearish 30-minute candle, we'd be okay. This is what happens when you don't follow your rules. We did say on the beginning of the stream that if we had this bearish 30-minute candle close, we should short it, but looks like pretty much let FOMO take over a little bit. Execute on the break of the high over here, got caught out in his lush. Now we're back in his range over here, so at this point there's no trades happening at this point. And we're gonna call it a session now.